Julie, now that it's getting warmer, people may be planning a trip up to Rock Run. It's a scenic spot in the middle of the woods near Trout Run. Ralston's fire chief tells us over the weekend a young man drowned there after he slipped into the rushing waters. The water's always cold, but the current isn't usually this high.
The water is flowing harder than it ever has in years and years up there.
Brenda Fawnin has been coming up to Rock Run Valley in the Loyalsock State Forest for years to fish. People also come from all over to see the waterfalls and to swim.
Like, we'll leave fishing so they can go swimming because, we did it when we were kids.
Pennsylvania's Department of Conservation and Natural Resources tells Newswatch 16 over the weekend a young man drowned at a spot the locals call the A-frame. The place near a waterfall was too far down a cliff to safely take our cameras, but according to Ralston's fire company, a group of friends from the York area were visiting Rock Run when a young man in his early 20s slipped and fell in. The water is high because of recent rainfall. Friends tried to get him out, but couldn't.
Hey guys, today we're fishing at Rock Run in Lycoming County. It's a beautiful fall day and the leaves are starting to turn. Now, I found out about this stream because of the news article that I clipped in here before. Unfortunately, there was a drowning a couple years back. It's a popular swimming location in the summer, and somebody happened to fall in, and there's no cell phone service up here and a couple of miles to the nearest town.
Too slow on the draw on that one.